Hello everyone, this is a love reading for the zodiac sign of Gemini, and this is from 9th August to 15th August. This may not resonate with each one of you. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. So let's begin, Gemini. First I will take out the love cards for you. One for you and one for your partner. So this is for you. And this is for your person here. Okay, Gemini, so for you, you have playfulness here. Laughter is the best medicine. Have some fun together, and remember, love is the greatest healer. And acceptance is the key to the inner peace. At times we must accept things as they are. There is no point to change that which is beyond our control. So this is telling us that, Gemini, you are in a very playful mood. You are wanting to have some fun, and you feel that love is the greatest healer, and your partner has to accept certain things and in order to have inner peace here. So now let's begin with your reading, Gemini. You have playfulness here. Let's see. My love team, please give the reading for Gemini. Okay. Now in the recent past, you have the devil in the reverse. In the present moment, you have the Queen of Wands. In the near future, you have the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. Alright. In the challenges, you have the Five of Wands. And in the advice, you have the Seven of Wands in the reverse. Bottom of the deck, you have Judgment. Okay, Gemini, so in the past you have the devil in the reverse, which means you have come out of certain kind of obsession, certain kind of bad habits, could be addictions, could be, I feel here that you have come out of certain kind of obsessive thoughts, or you were bonded to some kind of thing. You have already come out of this, and also you have come out of your fear in the recent past. In the present moment, you have the Queen of Wands upright, which means that you are in your energy, you are in your action. You are ready to take action, ready to make a move with lot of passion here. Now, in the near future, you have the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, but it is in the reverse, so that means the time is changing fast. The time is changing fast, and you have to go with the flow. It is fated, it is destined, whether it is not in your control, so you have to go with the flow. In the challenge, you have the Five of Wands, so there is a lot of conflict, disagreement, as your challenge, and nobody is wanting to see each other's point of view. You need to respect other person's point of view as well. So there is a lot of conflict and disagreement here. And in the advice, you have Seven of Wands in the reverse, which means that you, in order to overcome this conflict, you have to stop defending yourself. You have to stop resisting something, some sort of behavior, some sort of obsessive pattern you could have, which is showing in the recent past. So you should bring in some playfulness. You should not be very serious about things here. So this is your reading. Now let's see what you have for your partner here. Your partner is asked to release the past. They have to accept the things as they are. And you should look yourself inside, listen to your inner voice, listen to others also, in order to overcome your challenges. So this is for the sign of Gemini. Now let's see what we have for your person here. Okay, so in the present moment, in the recent past, you have the Moon card. In the present moment, you have the Empress here. In the near past, you have the Lovers here. Three major arcanas. challenge you have the Four of Wands, and in the advice you have the Three of Cups. So the bottom of the deck you have the Devil in the reverse here. Exactly, this is very interesting, Geminis, because I feel here that in the recent past certain things were hidden from you. There could be deception also in the recent past. You were kept in dark for about certain things, or this person might be keeping certain things in dark, certain secrets, and they have certain secrets also. Now in the present moment there is Empress. There's lot of growth, lot of happiness, and complete, absolutely. Empress card asked for nothing. That means they have sown the seeds and it's going to grow fast. It's a card of abundance here, excuse me, and it is a very very happy card here. Now in the near future also you have the Lovers card here, very good card, and there is lot of love between two people here. There is a lot of harmony between these two people here. This could also be a choice card. In the near future you might be making a choice, Gemini, here, and this is also your card, your energy. This is Gemini. Lovers card is a Gemini card, and you could be choosing also. So you have to be careful because there are a lot of conflicts here. So you have to make a choice with lot of wisdom here. Now in your challenge, your partner needs to recover. He needs a break. He wants to rest because there's been lot of conflict here in his life. So he's healing. He's healing a lot. There's a lot of healing going on. They're trying to recover. They're trying to take a break here. And in your advice for your person, it is Three of Cups here, which means that there could be a reconciliation. There could be a celebration as well. This person could be there could be a lot of get-togethers. There could be a third-party situation also, and they could be hanging out with friends. So this is your advice, that you should reconcile. You should be happy. You should celebrate. You should hang out with your friends. You should come out of this healing mode. Heal yourself first, and then only you can come into this kind of energy. So this is what I have for you, Geminis. I hope that this resonates with you. And thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.